Here at the Amanzimtoti main beach, absolutely elated. As you can see, the second sand cruiser has arrived at the Amanzimtoti beach, which now makes the fleet up to 2. That enables the disabled to actually be able to go into the waves and also enjoy the amenities that the able body can do. We are very elated today to Moodley Sands, all the way from Umkomaas at the southern end of Sapphire Coast. Thank you very much. They forked out and that absolutely beautiful periwinkle cruiser has come courtesy of Moodley Sands. That's what 60,000 Rand can do you. 60,000 Rand. With that, Moodley Sands has decided they're going to put the disabled into the water. We are today accepting it on behalf of Sapphire Coast Tourism. We've got the chairperson, Romy Wenzel, with us, and they're donating it to Sapphire Coast Tourism. We work in close conjunction with Wheels on Waves, one of the NPOs in the area, are here to assist the disabled to be able to use this. And our lifeguards, always willing to go out there, take the disabled on the beach and assist you so that you can also have that safe experience. Thank you very much to Moodley Sands. It's people like you that make a big difference in the lives of those who are unable to do it for themselves. Amanzimtoti main beach, the only place in eThekwini where you can go onto the surf if you're disabled in these sand cruises made possible by people like this. Thank you. And without further ado, I think you should take your shoes off.